Welcome to the course iPads in the 21st Century Classroom, a course offered by Rockland Public Schools during the spring of 2014. There are 3 parts to the course. The first part is workshops. You're going to participate in 24 or more hours of workshops during this school year. Any that you've taken since September count toward it, as well as the ones that were offered last August. There'll be workshops every month. Usually we have anywhere between 4 and 7 workshops a month, so keep checking for more. Of those 24 hours, you're going to need at least 16 of those hours, or PDPs, to be earned at iPad workshops. The other 8 or more can be earned in any kind of technology workshop. In addition, in order to make this a more flexible model for many of our teachers who might find that some of the workshops that are offered are not ones that they would like to go to, we're going to allow you to do up to 6 hours of independent training time substituted in for any of those 24 hours. So if you've got an app that you've wanted to explore and we're not offering a workshop on it, please look into that independent training time form, and if you have any questions, ask Lisa Ryan. Part 2 is the Edmodo forums. We're going to participate in a welcome forum, and there's a separate video for doing that as well, plus 4 more forums. So the assignments will include reading, videos, and tutorials, and you'll post an initial reflection on the assignment, and then as well you're going to respond to other people's posts as well, and that's how we'll be able to create kind of a sharing environment among all the participants. Part 3 is the final project and lesson shares. Your job is to create 3 lessons that incorporate the iPad in your 21st century classroom. Although for those 3 lessons, you're going to invite 3 staff members in. 1 lesson will be shared with an administrator, a department head, or a coordinator. The other lesson will be shared with a fellow teacher, and we will provide coverage for the visiting teacher. Contact your principal for that. And the last lesson will be shared with myself, Lisa Ryan. Lessons can be held in your classroom or another educational setting as well. What are some examples of lesson shares? I've listed a few here, but really it's any way that you're using the iPad in your classroom is going to work for that. All of these are going to be due on Friday, May 30th, and there is a shared lessons report that is there's a link to in iTunes U, and you'll use that as documentation. We really want to make this course applicable to any staff member in Rockland Public Schools. So if you feel as though there is something that would help make this course more workable for you and would like to customize it further, please let me know. We've tried to create the topics as open-ended as possible, but if there's further customization that's needed, please contact me, Lisa Ryan, with any questions. We look forward to having you in this course. Thank you so much.